another intro outro for the video when I was trying to do my hair, you know, to get to this right over here. This is like my Halloween hair for now. I'm enjoying it because it's like the color I had underneath, and I had to go through so much, guys, to get my hair to get that red out. So I don't think I'll ever be dyeing my hair red again, especially because of all the maintenance and having to, you know, not wear white clothes or have to be so careful with even just bags too at that. So yeah, you guys loving the new hair or the old new hair? The Barbie's back. But yeah, most of the video was recorded in slow motion and I had no idea. I need to just remember to watch the audio or watch the clips before I continue recording so I don't end up editing and then see that happening. But yeah. And I'm on the floor because your girl's about to work out from home. And yeah, so make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment what you think my costume's gonna be because it's gonna be the video after this. And my hair should probably be a hint. I'm not sure, but I've been trying to push so much content for you guys, and I think I'm finally getting into like that space where it's happening, but like I'm not getting overwhelmed. But if you're not new here, Vlogmas is almost here, so that means one video every day. Hope you guys are excited for that as well, and thanks for watching this video. So these last two videos are going to be pretty quick because they're in slow motion and I'm not too happy about that, but you know, I'm excited for the Halloween vlog. So bye. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So as I was filming this, I was literally saying, I don't know how many times I tried to film this, and here we are with a video that has no audio. Why? Because it was filmed in slow motion. So thanks for checking the video before you finish recording for the rest of the day. And I had just got my phone back. A lot of things were going on this week, and I just wanted this red hair to come out. And I went to the beauty supply thinking they were gonna have the Adore color, because I was like, let me just use my trusty Adore hair dye. But I didn't call and I was in traffic for like 2 hours, so I was really annoyed this day. And I ended up using the red by Kiss Temptations, and I never used this before, thinking it was gonna cover my hair. But I know for a fact if it was the Adore hair dye that I've used for years, it would have worked to at least darken my hair a little bit. But this red did not want to come out, so here I am thinking I'm gonna work some magic and praying that it was gonna come out. But when I washed my hair out, guys, it was literally still red. It did darken some of my hair up. I had to go to the beauty supply the next day and buy the one and only color fix, which is a hair color remover, which takes off the pigment of your hair. But this stuff stinks, so I didn't want to use it at all from like the beginning. It was probably gonna take me like 2 of those tries to take off the red, besides using the Head and Shoulders method that I did in my previous video. If you saw that, it's, you know, an experiment that I was just doing, and it's my hair, so I'm okay with that because I always do treatments afterwards. But it's gonna be in the hair playlist. It's called All Things Hair, if you guys want to check that out. So I used 1 box of that to remove my hair. I had to wash my hair like 5 times to take the smell away, and I decided to straighten my hair, but just use you know, heat, but minimal heat. So I didn't straighten it until like later on in the week for Halloween, so you guys are gonna see that vlog after this video. And guys, I'm gonna try again with this Kiss Temptation, Red by Kiss Temptations. brown because I really wanted my hair to be a darker brown as much as I missed being like a blonde ginger, and this hair looks beautiful. I really want my hair to be darker, so I'm gonna try that and hopefully it works, because if not, then I just I'm just never gonna buy that again and stick to my Adore whenever I want to change the tone of my hair, not so much the color. This clip right here reminds me of when I did my red hair maintenance, and it was also captured in slow motion because the video was recorded in slow motion as well. But this day I was going to my aunt's house and I'm thinking I'm talking to you guys, letting you know this is what my hair looks like and blah blah blah, whatever. Then I'm continuing to vlog thinking I'm recording for you guys and vlogging. But no, it was in slow motion again. So here is me and my baby Elise. We about to get, lit off the Don Julio. We about to act a Julio, and that's what we were saying. And it was my aunt's birthday, and guys, we were just here thinking we're vlogging. No, I'm so upset. But everybody knows, like, when I'm editing the video, that I played it back and it's in slow motion, and I'm just like, hey, I'm sorry. And I've tried to see if there's ways I can fix this, um, like afterwards, but no, it's just like a matter of me just looking at what the camera says when I'm recording. I don't know how the setting went to slow motion and back, but I think I was just like doing so much that I didn't even realize that this happened up until like the end of the video. I'm just like, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as is, but I didn't think of it afterwards. But who can go back in time and record all these things again? Like, you tell me. And then here, my brother wanted some of the little drink we was having. We were just sitting on the table by the kids, and then my mom is like, "Ooh, what y'all drinking?" She didn't want what she had. She's like, "Let me see." She tasted my drink. She's like, "Yes, I want one." And I made her a drink. Everybody was lit the rest of the night. They was watching the Yankees game, and it was time for shots. So right here, I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna pour up a shot for me and Elise, because we didn't want to drink the Don Julio Blanco. We wanted the reposado. And I came outside thinking you could hear everybody. This is like part of the family. They were watching the game, like I mentioned earlier. So it was kind of loud, but there wasn't any music. And I wish that you guys can hear. And it was my aunt's birthday, the one with the black hair and the crop top. Love you, Tia. And I hope you enjoyed your birthday. I'm sure you had so much fun with everybody around you. And, showing the Yankees shot glass. For some reason, every time my aunt shows shot glasses, they don't want to focus. Like, I guess the camera needs some work to do. And you see some Yankees gear here and there. And I was trying to zoom in and show you guys everybody, but it was at this point that I noticed I was recording in slow motion and your girl was lit. So I really didn't even pay any mind to it, that the whole rest of the vlog was in slow motion. I was just enjoying my time with my family, and at least we have some footage from this party. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and tune into the next video, which is going to be the Halloween get ready with me. And I promise it's not going to be in slow motion. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys at 500 Spartans.